So right here we have our wheel coating kit. This includes the chemicals and the towels you'll need to apply coating to your wheels. So I'm going to go through each piece and kind of explain what it is and why it's included in this kit. Starting with the coatings themselves, we have Gliss and DLUX, both by CARPRO. You're going to have DLUX on your wheels first, and it's going to be topped with a layer of Gliss. This is for the best protection as well as the best gloss. We also decided to include some CARPRO's Eraser. This is your pre-coating spray, so it's like an IPA spray. Just spray it in the wheels, wipe them clean, then you can apply your coating, obviously after you've done your decon and cleaning. As far as towels go, we have one coating removal towel, and then we have one wax and sealant removal towel. You only really need 2 towels for one set of wheels, and we decided to go with the 2 different towels. That way you have variety in the pile and the texture of the towel. And that sums up all of the parts of the wheel coating kit. This kit goes really well with some of the other wheel kits we have, specifically the decon kit if you just got a fresh set of wheels. And if you're confused on how to use any of these products, we have product-specific videos on our Shorts channel, and you can reach out to support at Obsessed Garage if you have specific questions.